Paranormal 911, episode 203, a satanic ritual gone wrong and a ghost's revenge. The first part could be said to be an indication of the dangers of secularism. And then we have sympathetic links as something that can form a danger. Psychosomatic control can be in the references. People can use urban legends to get away with crime. Those without any spiritual response to some possible situations are more at mercy to what could be wanted of them. Some links will be by the physical links of the events. Some spirits will try to trigger this association of the spiritual sort and don't care where it is directed. You know, they don't, they know that people are going to use methods and groups and stuff to try to comfort themselves in regards to what goes on. And that could be the goal all along because people will say, oh, I'm cured. But yeah, they got you into the church or they got you into this, that, or the other, right?